Hey guys, today on this video I will show you how we can add a printer on Windows 11 PC. So let's get started. First of all, click on Start menu here and click on Settings. Now here on left side you can see Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And here you can see printers and scanners. Click here. And here on the top you have an option to add a printer or scanner. So click on Add Device. So if you have a printer physically connected by a cable, or if you have the printer connected on your network, most of the time it will automatically detect it here and it will give you an option to install that printer. And sometimes it won't be able to detect the printer automatically. So if that happens, you have to click on Add manually, and you have all these options to add the printer. So if your printer is older devices, legacy printer, you can select this option here and click on Next. If it's a shared printer on the network, you can type the printer name here, or you can browse for the printer by selecting this option right here. What I'm going to do here is I will add the printer with the IP address because I know the IP address of the printer. So if your printer is connected to network and if you know the IP address of the printer, you can select this option, which I'm going to do right now. So click on Next, and here you have all these options. You can do auto detect on this option and type the IP address of the printer. So this is the IP address of my printer, and make sure you have this option selected so that it will automatically install the driver for your printer, and click on Next. So as you can see here, we have successfully added the printer on our computer. So you can give your printer any name or you can leave it as default, and click on Next. If you would like to share this printer, you have an option to share, and if you don't like to share, you can select this option here and click on Next. Now, yeah, we have successfully added printer on our Windows 11 PC, and if you would like to print a test page, you can print it from here. Otherwise, you can just click on Finish and we are good. And here you can see the printer has been added on the list. So this is how we can install a printer on Windows 11 PC. So I hope this video helped you to install printer on your computer. This much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.